Welcome back to my channel, guys. 5 businesses you can start with 5,000 naira. Alright, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, I want you to hit that subscribe button and subscribe so that you can join this wonderful family. Okay, going straight into our video, the first business you can start with 5,000 naira is book selling. Guys, you can start selling books with just 5,000 naira and start making profit and start making money. All you need to do is to create ebooks, not necessarily hard copies. You put in your books together in a Word format. I've made a video on my channel about how to create ebooks in an hour, so you can go look up that video and learn how to make your ebooks in an hour. Then you can start selling it on seller.com. I've also made a video on how to sell on seller.com. Okay, and if you do this, you can be making cool cash monthly from your ebooks. Then your 5,000 naira, you can use it for ad promotion or any other promotion you can use to actually promote your book. To sell your ebooks on seller is free of charge. Okay, you don't need to register anything, you don't need to pay anything at all. Okay, so and to create these ebooks is also free, it costs you nothing. So with 5,000 naira, you can actually start selling books online and also on all your social media platforms. Also, you can leverage on gg.com and sell your books. I have also made a video on gg.com on how you can sell anything on gg.com. Next is catering services. Now, this is a sweet business to start with 5,000. Many of you be wondering how possible it is to start a catering services with 5,000 naira. I'm going to break it down to you. Now, all you need to do is to get the contact of those who are into catering services. Okay, first of all, if you don't know anything about catering services, if you cannot cook, or if you cannot bake, or if you cannot do anything that concerns catering, you can contract or outsource those persons who are into catering services. Then you can publicize your brand, or you can create a flyer about your business on catering. Then whenever you get a customer who wants you to come carry out some catering services or render some catering services for he or she, you can now outsource those clients, those experts in catering, to help you do the job, and they pay you a commission and they also take their part. That is the first option. The second option is, if you can do the catering services, if you can offer such service, if you have the skill maybe in cooking or in baking, you don't necessarily need a physical venue or so, a shop per se. You can also create flyers, advertise yourself, publicize yourself. Then once you get customers, you can now go down there and actually render those services. You can actually also borrow equipment, rent equipment if you don't have. Okay, or you also strike a deal with those who have those equipment, and they can also come down to an agreement with you of the amount you pay them for using their equipment to carry out your services. So guys, cash in. Let's do this and let's cash in. All right, don't sleep on this, guys. Now the third one is the car drop services. Now this is a sweet business idea in the sense that all you need to do also is to have the contact of those who actually have taxis or cars, or who carry out car drop services. Then you also create flyers telling people that you can offer this service to them, and once they need you to offer this service to them, all you need to do is to contract or outsource those persons who actually do the car drop services, and they pay you a commission for bringing in those persons to them. So simple. The next one is the barbing salon business. Now, barbing salon business, how do you start a barbing salon business with 5,000 naira? For this business, you have to have the skill. If you have the skill, if you can cut, if you can barb or you can cut, then you're good to go. All you need to do is to use the 5,000 naira, create flyers and add promotion and promote yourself. Create videos of you giving someone a cut, create pictures of hair you've done and all that. Then publicize yourself online, on Facebook, on Instagram, on GG, and you will start getting leads and you will start making money. But for this one you have to do just home services, because you don't have enough money to open a shop, so you have to do just home services. Okay, so create flyers with that 5,000 naira, then advertise yourself, run ads on Facebook and what have you. Then you can actually start getting customers for yourself for this business. Okay, now the last but not the least is the cleaning services. This is also cool. Virtually everybody knows how to clean to some extent. Okay, so all you need to do is simple. Just create flyers about your cleaning service brand, create flyers, run ads on Facebook, go on Gigi, advertise yourself, so that if anybody wants to if anybody needs help to clean their house, because some persons don't have the time to do all that, so they need to outsource persons like you to help them clean their homes, which will be easy, and they'll pay you cool cash for cleaning their house. Your 5,000 naira will only foot your transport fee. So you see, you don't need much money to start these businesses, guys. These 5 businesses I've just shown you are cool businesses you can start cashing out from. With just 5,000 naira or less, you will start making money from this business. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for stopping by. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. If you got something from this video, hit the like button and drop a comment in the comment section. See you next time.